We worry so much about English. Okay. I think we are the only people, Indians, who are so conscious कि वो ये वर्ड को कैसे बोल रहा है. मेन्यू को मीनू बोल रहा है तो भाई बहुत ही ये अनपढ़ है. ना हाउ इज इंग्लिश रिलेटेड टू योर पढ़ाई? We are the only one. You look at any other country, you look at Japanese, they have a very heavy accent when they speak English. You look at Chinese, they can't speak English to save their life. You look at Arabs, they have a problem. And they don't mind, they speak the way they want to. And I am surprised that when we people go to Dubai or Abu Dhabi, work there for 2 years and come back, we start speaking English in Arabic. Now, if you see even Europe, France and England are separated by just one English channel. All right. It is about 15, 16 kilometers at its narrowest, and I think 35 kilometers at the widest. Now, French can't speak English. Even if they know English, they will not speak English. But they're when they want to speak English, they speak in a French English. Okay. Spanish people, you can make out he's a Spanish guy when he speaks English. Italians can't speak English properly. They also have a very heavy accent. Germans have a problem. They're the same continent. We call it the continent. बट हमें अंग्रेजी बिल्कुल क्वीन से भी अच्छी अंग्रेजी बोलनी है. वो 200 साल रहे हमारे साथ, लेकिन वो जयपुर बोलना नहीं सीख पाए. वो जयपुर बोलता है और हम भी जयपुर बोलता है. भाई क्यों? एंड वी आर not ready to accept the way we speak English. Even in England, when you go from southern to northern, they have different dialects, they have different accents. And a guy from maybe southern England, you can't even follow what the hell he's speaking. And they speak the same way, and they're happy. They don't feel anything inferior about it. So why should I? So we have got 28, 29 states. A Bihari will speak English in a Bihari accent. यूपी का बंदा यूपी जैसे बात करेगा. पंजाब का बंदा पंजाब में बात करेगा. साउथ इंडियन जो है उसमें बिल्कुल एक्सेंट दिखाई देगा. तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है? Why the hell do you want to be absolutely perfect in English? And I'm surprised that, and it is only now with this new Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, who is now, I can still call him new, he is the only one who goes and speaks in Hindi. And imagine, we guys are saying, oh, he doesn't have good English. Oh, come on, boss, give me a break. You have a Chinese guy, he speaks in Chinese. You have a Japanese guy, he speaks in Japanese. Wherever he goes, if a Japanese Prime Minister comes, he speaks in Japanese when he addresses. He may know English, and he does know English, but he doesn't. They speak in their own language, and they are proud of it. So let's be proud of our own language. Let's not worry too much. And I am surprised that when placements used to happen in B schools, people are rejecting such good hard-working students because सर इसका थोड़ा ना एक्सेंट हरियाणवी है. अरे सो व्हाट, लड़का तो काम करेगा. He'll do a damn good job. Why are you rejecting him just because he cannot speak a perfect English? And एक आदमी ने एक वर्ड गलत बोल दिया तो हम उसको ही पकड़ के बैठ जाएंगे कि यार देखो इसकी तो कॉम स्किल्स बड़ी कमज़ोर है, या कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स का इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज से क्या लेना देना. आपको अपनी बात कहनी है, सामने रखनी है. and you should be able to speak in a language which is comfortable for you. Don't worry about English, Winglish, for heaven's sake. Let's drop this. And but it'll take time. But yes, start speaking your own language too. You cannot say that I am a born Angrez. Arre, enough is enough. Thank you.